SEP is a data protection company headquartered in Germany with customers in 50 countries worldwide. What we do, we are offering backup and recovery solutions for mission-critical systems that need and require world-class data protection for both data backup and the ability to recover from any disaster. We are now more than 25 years in business with restoring data and recovering entire systems. And our mission is to protect what people have achieved every day. We started to deliver backup solutions based on Unix systems, which means we grew up with Linux in our veins. So our partnership with SUSE is really long-lasting and our headquarters are pretty close together. We started to deliver backup and recovery solutions at the same year when SUSE was founded. One could say that SEP and SUSE grew up together.
SEP is certified for SUSE Linux Enterprise Server for the latest version, but because of our long-lasting partnership, we are also certified for the legacy systems. SEP supports the full scale of SUSE, which means that we can use it as a backup server as well as a backup client. Both is possible. And we have our focus on SAP, and all the SAP applications are running on the SUSE stack, and we support also the SLAS for SAP distribution. You can easily download our software from the SUSE Connect portal, and then we are already there installed on the SUSE platform for SAP. We also support the bare metal recovery, which means protecting your operating system of your physical servers. If it breaks, you can easily restore your software on the new hardware and then recover your data with our agents. In addition to supporting the operating system, we also support the SaaS, the SUSE Enterprise Storage, which is also a strategic product for SUSE and for us as well, because you can use it as an archiving target, as a second or third copy of your backup data. So this is a very important thing for us and for SUSE in our partnership. So SAP and SUSE is the best partnership for all the customers out there, because we have the same goal to provide data protection and to provide all the benefits to the customers, to have continuously running environments and having the data available everywhere.